people, a voluntary, they are the computers, unused a processing power to help to their big project. Okay, means they are unnecessary, which one they are not using, they are processing to their power for to their big project. Okay, like if you want to be example, we have to do this one, like set I at the rate home user volunteer computing to analyze a radio signals for to the sign of the extra territory, extra, what is that, extraterritorial life. Like how it's work, you are installing to the program when your computer is the ideal, it is the process the small chunk of the project, and big project means what happens, simply what happen, your process are giving a chunk means whatever. Suppose right now I have to the 8 GB RAM, okay, for my computer, and right now I'm using a 1 GB RAM, so obviously 7 GB RAM is available, so it will be combine a chunk of your memories on different computer, it will be combined together and solving your one problem. Okay, that is a voluntarily, means a voluntarily one students are coming to over there, and it's arranging to the your outing, rather than it's a load for only the one professor. Are you getting or not? Okay, now difference from to the Hadoop, voluntary computing is based on the public participation, but the Hadoop use a run on a dedicated a clustering in an organization. Clustering means what, together. Okay, apart from over here, a big history of your Hadoop, why this Hadoop is come to this scenario, that is the main part, right. Okay, what is that main part, how the Hadoop is came over here, how we can introduce to the Hadoop. See over here, little bit history we have. Early in 2000s, Google published one paper on how they store and the process a huge amount of data. Means in 2000s, in 2000s year, the Google are show something to the the one video. I know that time Google are recording one video how they exactly storing a data in their database. So that is a little bit huge something. So what happened, that is that time they called as a GFS for the storing to their big files, means Google are developed that. So that time MapReduce means what, for the processing of big data in the parallel. In 2005, Dodge Cutting and Mike Cafrela created Hadoop inspired by to the Google's paper. Means they inspire from Google how they exactly to the storing data. We also want to make something kind of things, so they made it as a Hadoop. Okay, so what happened, previously Hadoop was named after a toy elephant. Before the name we have to the toy elephant. Okay, before Hadoop, they gave name as a toy elephant by owner a Dodge Cutting son. Means he created and he gave to the Hadoop purpose name as a toy elephant. But what happened now, Hadoop is the open source. When the Apache are buy from them, then what happened, it's become as a Hadoop. Let me clear that your all database whatever we are using, like a MySQL, then your a Postgre, then your Oracle, also the all license, the all license having to the Apache. Apache is the license is important. Without Apache license, we cannot able to use to the database. And Apache license is a free and open source. Anybody can go, they can download and they can use. Are you getting? Okay. But for the company purpose, we need to pay that. Right now, we are using freely because we are a student. Okay. Now, after this one, the last, Apache Hadoop and the Hadoop ecosystem. Basically, Apache Hadoop is the open source framework for store and the process the data, right? Isn't it? Where we are storing and processing to the data. Work on the clustering and the community hardware. Community hardware means what? Community hardware means what? There are a lot of computers are coming together and they are distributing to the data from one computer to the lot of computers. Distributing not means we can say that also it's a storing in the different computer. Different computer means what? It's not the small computer. I'm saying that the servers, it's I'm sending data, it will be a storing in the different server, not the one computer. Are you getting? Now in the main part and main component for your Hadoop are work because of these three main component, to be honestly, these three. Okay, one is your HDFS, Hadoop distribution file system, store data across the multiple computer. Why the data we can able to store the multiple computer? Because over here we are using one technology that is called HDFS, Hadoop distribution file system. It will become on your exam. Okay, now map reducing means what? A process a data in the parallelly. Means whenever I am distributing to the my data, I want to be distribute the parallelly. Are you getting or not? Means same time I want to be store in the different machine without even 1 second delay for when I'm storing to the same time. Are you getting? Now yarn yet another resources to the negotiator manage a clustering resources. Means whenever you are storing, then it's a parallelly going to the database. I want to properly check that resources are using or not. Who is checking that? Your yarn are checking the resources are properly taken out. Okay, then after community utilities means helperies and libraries tools are able to do that. So Hadoop ecosystem, there are a lot of stuff we have to the Hive, we have to the peak, we have to the HBase, Scoop, then again your lot of Spark. So lot of these extra libraries are present, which one are helping to do that lot of stuff inside of your Hadoop. Okay, right now without wasting time, let's go to the practically install your Hadoop. Okay, let's go. Right now I'm closing this file because right now everyone having to the little bit idea about to the Hadoop, but isn't it? Because I'm thinking about that. If you can understand 50% theory, then 50% practical is important. Directly if I'm starting to the Hadoop, you will be saying, sir, what is the Hadoop? What is the HDFS? Are you getting or not? Sir, I don't understand why we are writing this command, right? So that's why a basics theories are important, because it's a foundation. Understood? Now let's go to the install the stuff. Right now, whenever we are starting to the install, I will be share this file with you. You need to be take that and you need to follow the properly step. Even if you cannot able to do anything, don't worry. You can pause the video and you can check over here. You can get to the that resources. Okay. Now first, Hadoop installation. First, uninstall all things on control panel like file explorer, environmental variable, means whatever is a related for your Hadoop, uninstall that. What is that unnecessary things? Like, let me go to the over here in the control panel. We need to check that is it we are using, let me go to the uninstall program. We need to check that is it we are using any Java version, Java. We need to uninstall that Java. We need to uninstall the Java JDK first. Even your Eclipse also, many times Eclipse are giving to the problem for your Hadoop. Okay, so uninstall that stuff. Right now I don't have anything. You can see over here I have to the MongoDB, it will be a not disturb. I have to the MySQL, that also will be a not disturb. But we don't want JDK. Okay, if you have the JDK, we want only the one JDK. Are you getting? I don't have over here. We can create a lot of JDK, then the path and environmental setup we need to do. So that's why I don't do a lot of stuff. Check that, use only the one JDK. I don't have even the Eclipse also, because your Java is not work without your JDK. Okay, so my everything is clean. I don't have anything. So let me close that. So I obviously check that my control panel, I don't have anything. Now let's check that in the file explorer. I'm going to over here file explorer and I want to be check that first in the C drive. Is it I have any relevant to the file Java, or is it I have the relevant file to the Hadoop maybe previously we installed? See, I don't have. Even check inside of your program files also, many times we have to the JDK. Check it that. See, I don't have any Java. Understood? Perfect. Everything is going good. Now, after this one, let's go environmental variable. Is it any links are there? Check that one also. So I'm going to over here and after that I'm searching environmental variables setup. Go over here, say environmental variables, check that it is extra path are there, anything? No. Check inside of the path format, edit, is it there? No. Are you getting? Close. Right now there is nothing I have. What is the environmental variable? What is the stuff? I will be discuss that. Okay, don't worry. Just right now I check before that installing. I have any versions which one I'm using previously, because when you are installing to the Hadoop, the versions are important. Many times your Hadoop version and your another JDK version, which Java version, are mismatched. If a version is mismatched, then your Hadoop will be not working. Let me clear that properly. So if you are using my version, which one I am saying, then it is good for your the installation part, because version should be the important. Hadoop is the different, JDK is the different. So we need